Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oblong Polka Dots and my name is Kerr, and on this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, and beauty. So if that's something you're into, you've come to the right place. Hey guys. Today we are going to talk about a brand new brand that I've never purchased from before, but I can tell you with complete confidence without even having opened the perfume yet that I will be purchasing from them again. And this is the box it came in. Oh, look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you. Let's see. So, the name of the brand is Oriza. So it's Parfumerie Oriza de Legrand. And this little, I guess, magazine or flyer came with my purchase, and it explains about all of the different perfumes that they sell, and it also goes through l'histoire or a history of the brand itself. So this is what it looks like. It's really very beautiful. The artwork here, I think on the front, and well, I know the artwork here on the inner folder here is from Muka, who's a famous artist. You probably have seen his work 10,000 times before. And again, this just goes through the history of the house, l'histoire de la maison Oriza Legrand. Ooh, it's very French. So it's my understanding that the way that this brand works is they take fragrances that are historic fragrances and they recreate them, or they make them all over again. So I can't remember how I found them, but I think it was through someone on YouTube that only does, like they talk about lots of niche fragrances, or alternatively, it was just kind of through searching and I stumbled upon it. But either way, this brand is well known within the niche community. So the other thing that this little box came with was kind of a little flyer, and it shows where the brand is located, the house, and then a picture of the house or the parfumerie. It also came with a sample of soap, and this is Rose de Roy, and I could smell this before even opening the box. It smells so good. It is incredibly strong, but it's beautiful, and you can see the packaging is also quite lovely. And then it came with 3 samples. Now, one of the samples I don't have because when I opened the box, my mom could smell it and she loved it, so I gave her the sample, but I'll tell you what it was. It was a sample of Horizon, so this one right here, and it was incredibly potent. The notes are, let's see, it's got precious woods and ambergris, and it has tobacco blonde and soft leather. So Horizon, this one smells so good, you guys. It smells amazing. But that was one of the samples. The 3 samples came in this little envelope with this little sticker here that also has the house brand name on the top. So if you open the envelope, on the interior, like I said, were 3 samples, but now it's down to 2. One of the samples here is, let's see, it's Peau d'Espagne, and it's an Eau de Parfum. I think they're all Eau de Parfums. I don't think they make any Eau de Toilettes. I can't really, I think I can smell it. It smells very woody and powdery at the same time. I'm not good at describing scents, you guys, so I'm working on it. The other sample is Le Regent, the Regent, and that's this one right here. This one seems to be more, I don't know, maybe a little bit more fruity. I have not sprayed either one, and I can smell them just fine. So that gives you an idea of what it's like. And then here is the perfume that I bought. So this box, don't be fooled, this thing is hefty. If I had to take a guess, I would say this is probably about 16 ounces or 1 pound. And it came with this really beautiful ribbon. I haven't even taken it off yet, you guys. I just wanted to show you like right away. So let's see what it looks like. So the name of the fragrance that I grabbed is Empire des Indes. So again, this is the Empire des Indes. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, you guys. This is what the box looks like. As mentioned before, I think it's probably about a pound. So taking off the lid, there's nothing on the interior, but the exterior is decorated. And then here is the bottle. And wow, oh my goodness gracious, this is grown folks fragrance right here. This is a perfume for grown-ups for sure. I'm not sure if I've had any French perfumes proper from a niche brand. I mean, I've had things like Opium from Yves Saint Laurent, but I don't know if I've ever had like a French brand niche indie perfume. I'm guessing I haven't because I'm not recalling, but this bottle in my hand is hefty and it's beautiful. It comes with this really lovely gold tassel, and the glass is very, very clear, and it has this kind of old-timey label here on the front. And then let's take this lid so I can show you guys what it looks like. The lid has embossing on it for the house's initials, and it's also quite heavy. And then here's the interior. Wow. This was a blind buy. I've never smelled this fragrance before, but I did purchase it based on the notes and then based on reviews from, I cannot remember the name of that channel. I did look it up. I'm so glad I bought this. This reminds me of something that I've had before, like a long time ago. You know, it sort of reminds me a little bit of, you know, baby oil? Hold on, bear with me. But it puts me in the mind of baby oil because there's something in that has like this kind of scent. But wow, it smells so good, you guys. I will make sure to also include the notes so that you can see kind of what I'm talking about, because I don't have them in front of me. But yeah. For me, this was a very safe blind buy. It has a beautiful, woody, but powdery scent to it. It's really hard to describe. It's definitely sweet. So if you don't like things that are sweet, this is definitely not for you, but it's sweet. And I like things that are sweet. I like fruity florals, things like that. So pretty. I'm excited, you guys. I don't want to spray it right now, though. Because I have other scents that are going and I don't want to be overwhelmed. But I already, well, actually, you know what? Forget it. I'm just going to do it. Let's just do it. Let's do it. We're doing it live. I don't think, I had on Joe Malone, whatever I think it's called Bluebell or something like that earlier. Let me just spray it in the air first so I can get an idea of it. I need something to spray it on. I need like how about this? Use a piece of paper. We'll use this. Okay, ready? Ooh, look how beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, it's so rich. It's like cinnamon and vanilla and I don't know what that is. Some kind of like wood. Oh, you guys, I'm about to wear the heck out of this. If you know me in person, like in real life, yeah, I apologize now, but this is about to be my fragrance for a hot minute. I'll try not to overdo it for my people at work. It's beautiful. It is so aromatic. It's rich. It's very, there's something incredibly vintage about it too. There's nothing synthetic about the scent at all. It feels very earthy. It feels organic. I love it. It smells so good. All right, you guys. Again, this is Empire des Indes, or I think it's Empire of the Indies, and that's what the bottle looks like. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.